Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Claude in PyCharm step by step. So start with the first one, which is to install the Claude AI plugin from the PyCharm marketplace. So just launch the PyCharm Professional. So Community works too for the basic plugin. And then go to File, tap on Settings, tap on Plugins, or you can also tap on the PyCharm and then Preferences, then Plugins on the macOS. So click the Marketplace tab and search for Claude. So the official plugin Claude AI for PyCharm by Anthropic appears at the top result with a 4.8 star rating, around 620k downloads, and a blue install button. So click on the install and wait roughly 10 seconds for the download to complete. Then click the Restart IDE when prompted. So PyCharm fully reloads and the new Cloud Tool window icon appears on the right edge of the IDE, ready to use. Next up is open settings and connect your Anthropic API key. So after restart, navigate to File, tap on Settings, go to Tools, and Cloud AI. So the settings page shows several fields, API key, which is where you can paste your SKANT API key. So it gets masked out once you click away. So the model drop-down, you can choose the Cloud Sonnet 4.5 for the best balance or speed and quality on Python tasks. So there is also temperature slider. You can set it to 0.7 by default, or you can also lower it down to 0.2 for deterministic refactors. You can also raise it to 0.9 for brainstorming. And then lastly is auto suggest on typing checkbox. So you can tick this to get inline grayed out completions as you write Python. So you can click on apply, then OK, and then the plugin tests and the key immediately and shows a green connected label confirming everything is wired up correctly. Next is use the Cloud Tool window to refactor real Python code. So open a real Python file like main.py containing a Flask application. So click the cloud icon in the right edge of PyCharm to open a docked Cloud Tool window. So in the chat input, you can type in add JWT authentication to this Flask application and press enter. So Cloud reads the entire file, identifies the Flask application instance and existing routes, then streams a back syntax highlighted Python code block with necessary imports. So you can also create access token, login route returning to token, so decorator on every protected endpoint. So each code block has copy and insert buttons, so you can insert merges and changes into the right places in the main.py. And PyCharm highlights every modified line for review. Next is accept inline code suggestions while you type. So with auto-suggest on typing enabled, Claude offers Copilot style suggestions in any Python file. So you can start writing a function signature like def calculate talks and pause. So within about 300 milliseconds, a grayed out suggestions appears completely the body. So def calculate tax income. So it will give you an answer. So a small purple cloud badge appears at the end of the suggestion line, so you can distinguish Cloud's output from the PyCharm's built-in completion. So you can press on tab to accept the entire suggestions. You can also click on ESC to dismiss it, or simply keep typing to override it character by character. So the hint is press tab to accept, appears at the bottom of the editor while a suggestion is visible. Lastly is go ahead and verify generated tests and track your token usage. So to confirm the integration is fully working, you can open the utils.py and ask Cloud in the tool window, generate PyTest unit tests for every function in this file. So the Cloud panel responds with a status line, generated 8 unit test in the task utils.py and creates the file at the correct location in your test directory. Open it and you will see a clean PyTest function with the green checkmark got there indicators showing every task passes when you run them. So the bottom PyCharm status bar shows Cloud AI, or the Cloud Sonnet 4.5, 24,891 tokens used as a live counter, so you always know which model is active and how much of your daily quota you have spent. So from here, Cloud is available in every Python project that you open, not per project reset needed. So you can also click the token counter in the status bar to see a per day breakdown by model. So this is the fastest way to spot which project are eating your Anthropic quota and which can move to the cheaper cloud Haiku for. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!